again because people are still sleeping. Today is gonna be a road trip. I'm not gonna tell you the place where I'm heading right now, but I'm gonna show you guys every stop, every city or province that we stop by, so you can see what the province in the Philippines looks like. So my uncle just got here, about to load up all our stuff here, and I'll see you guys on the road. Let's go. Good morning, guys. A quick time update. It is currently 6 a.m. here in overview in the province of BUKIDNON. I'm gonna fly the drone so you guys can see it. So let's go. Man, what a view, man. That view was amazing. All right, I'm rushing right now because we just stopped at the road and my uncle's waiting on the car. So I had to make the drone shots a little quicker than I had to be. We're off to our next stop, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. We made it here in CAGAYAN de Oro. We're about to go eat some lunch. We're just stopping by to get a quick bite before we head to our final destination. So we're gonna eat and I'll see you guys on the road again. Time check, guys, it's 2:43 in the afternoon. We're here in ILIGAN city. We just stopped by at Jollibee to grab some lunch and we're almost there. So for all my Filipino friends, you probably know where I'm going right now, but don't say anything yet. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so we are here in a barge right now. Usually here in the Philippines we take barge if you want to go from an island to a different island to cross, since my destination is in the next island. You guys probably already know where I'm going already, but anyway, for viewers in the States that don't know, it's pretty normal to take a barge from one island, which is over there, to over there. I'm just gonna keep it short and I'll see you guys on the road. We're almost there. I'm excited to be there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Alright guys, so we just made it to the port in MISAMIS city. Man, I'm excited. I'm actually excited, very excited. Anyway, I'm about to go back to the car and I'll see you guys on the road. Yes, we made it here in my hometown, my actual hometown here in Jimenez in the province of Misamis Occidental. We left here to move to the US in 2008, so it's been 11 years, man, since I've gotten home to our actual house here in the Philippines. A lot has changed. The road has been like cleared and widened, and certainly the house doesn't look like this 11 years ago, but you know, it's for the better. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog right now because it's been a long day. I'm just gonna put the camera down and relax and unpack everything. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for coming with me on the road trip. It's been a long road trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure here in my hometown in Jimenez. I'm gonna do a few videos over here, so if you haven't, follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat so you guys can see behind the scenes before the video gets uploaded. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna end it right now because I'm tired, I'm hungry. We got puppies! We got puppies! We got puppies! We got puppies!